Sorry guys if I'm late, cause I'm late always. The video stops right there, but I'm still gonna finish the simple. What is it? Like the shit. We punch that.
Okay, halika. May pasok ka bukas, Kai? Hindi sa hapon? Uy, alam mo,
Last one.
Mag-ano ka na sa ulit ka.
Sin! This video might stop right what we think. Yeah. Let's punch. Cause sometimes things my video stop in something like I do not. What happened? Wait. Let's spend no. This is me.
Halika kayo, lagyan natin ka dito. Ay, sa akin, ba't na? Halika, kita.
No.
Tara, kita. Kuha ka na rin sa rio mo.
Lang sa mayo, pero isip lang to. Is ba tayo?
Why did we put this thing out here? What happened? Plus one.
Meron ako dito cheese. Meron ako dito flowers.
It's the giant planket. Giant planket is to be. Sorry, bro. That's
Fresh start. Yes. Tingnan natin. Madali.
Ano ulit?
Hairstyle.
Hairstyle for short hair.
let's put cake. What if we put cake? That will be crazy. Because cyborg melon is a secret and even the cake is a secret. That will be no. That's no secret. Sorry, melon.
Wala ka na music, kuha ka na magic play.
Wait yan. Basta pwede na ba ito?
Ah, ayun yung ginagawa. parang, ano, pag nagta-transition. Yung Cinderella yan eh. Yung Cinderella eh. Kaya kaya yung ano.
Get it my hair.
Sabi mo 4 kids. Dito. 4 kids.
Puro school.
Hindi yan. Kahit for school ka din. Dahil.
Ano ito?
At sa ilalim.
This box.
May pera mo kung ito. Wala ko siya.
Did the picture stop? No. This is his tentacles. I'm sorry, but I think my clampers.
Oh, nanonood ka talaga. Wala asa yung isang minute. Isang minute.
Andun sa karami.
Kuli ka sa minute. Sabi mo, wala.
Ito na nga.
Ano? Si Emilia. May swimming tayo, di ba?
Sa birthday.
Kaya. May gel ka? Hari, halika dito. Ipitan ka rin namin. Hari, ipitan ka namin. Hari, baka kayo. Pwede naman to sa lalaki, di ba kayo? Dali, yung dalawa lang. Yung gawin natin coronavirus. Ano kulay tayo nito? Pink? Or violet? Di violet ata. Ano?
Pink and violet.
Anong kulay?
Pink.
Ano na lang yung trip? Sumisunod kayo?
Hindi ko alam.
Pero banda dito. Ano sa inyo? Ha? Asa mo nilagay? Ba't pinilaki ka? Ah, laki yung daga. Nandun, sa may bakod yun. Ayun, para makita. Kala mo pumasok mo. Huwag ka na makamot ng kamot.
Yan ang mga
Ito nga ngayon. Hindi ka pa.
Yes. She got his own tentacles.
Basta i-ano ko siya sa yung sa babong ko. Ang kamot ng kamot! Kamot ng kamot. Kasi, ito. Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, yes daw. Oh.
Joke lang.
Yes daw. Kaya daw.
Now we make
Si Harry,
a cyborg melon.
Yes.
Ay,
Yes daw, Harry.
alam ko na. Ate Amber, alam mo kung magkano yung bayad kay Elia? Mapangit. Ay,
Si Ailia, ano, anong gagawin ko? Ihahag niya or sasakalan?
Sino?
Si Ailia.
I didn't talk too much. This is... How it happened?
Dito sila ang dalawa.
Four.
Wala na ng bahay na You!
Oh my god, I need the... What the frick? No, my... No, no, no. No. Ow! That is how! That is how! Oh, not. I think that's fine. I think that's okay, Cyborg Melon. Oh no, 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 no. Let's we should.
Sige, kakamutin ko yung ano mo, pek-pek mo dyan. Ito pang kamo, kakamutin ko yung pek-pek mo.
Now this is Melon with this cyber pump. Now she do not need to worry about getting bullied. That is so suck. Cause last time I made a person called who's read. Oh my god, look. Look at it. This is the popcorn. Now we got popcorns. Let's eat popcorn. Chum chum. Tigel! Tigel! Chum 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 chum. Wow. Now we eat. Oh, melon was not there. Now let's destroy. We get Melon is dead. Oh, he's not. So let's see sniper. Sniper. Wow, first headshot. I never got an headshot. Always. Wow. Meron you're there. And you're dead. Oh. I'm lazy to call this, but this is just like smashing a brick with a bottle. How strong you are. And just one. Smash! Oh my god. Smash. I've smashed everything. This is the most biggest one, but I'm lazy to call it again. But I just call it smash the brick. I was tired lately, so I do not. Now let's still put.
Bigyan ka sa screen para protection ka sa sun.
Oh my god. I might. Good. That is KO. That is mango. Lemon. Wait. Ano number good? I wish I still remember. Wait. But I think.
May trabaho na ba? Ha? Saan bahay? Di ba, ano, nagpapagawa? Ano? Sa birthday niya, Arlia, magpa-photo-photoshoot mo? Sino ang mag-makeup o mag-ano? Sino ang mag-ano? Ito wala.
Now I'm done. I think he doesn't look like him with the parachute. Is he okay now? Ow! I do not understand what rings to get from him. But I think this is right. Because I do not remember.
May polvo ka na? Kaya ako, lalagyan mo.
I do not remember what it's called. Is he? There. Lemonade.
Ticket.
Oh, trick. I killed him. Oh no. But it's still there. Oh no.
Kaso naman
We
yun.
need to save.
Grabe naman sa baba. Wala na ticket pa.
Oh my god.
Baka
Oh my god, that cold. That
Kasi ayun
donut.
yung ano, binabasa pa
No.
rin yung binabasa.
That is so suck.
Si mama mo lang, ano, papabigyo. Hindi ako. Ikaw? Minsan si mama. Buta hindi mo iyak.
Now I'm gonna do it again.
Ileeg mo.
Oh my god, it's look like a mango. We got sleep, but I think she's never gonna walk again.
Asan ka na sa mawawala niyo? Bahay. Kikidog kami!
Uy!
Now this is. Oh my god.
Apa pati Amber?
Hindi ko talaga nag-make up.
Lemonade. I'm just gonna call you Lemonade. Because I do not know. Oh, what's it?
Abi,
Wait, Strawberry Melon, where are you?
Si Harry, hindi matawagan.
kasi matatawagan niya rin si Daddy. Account niya ni Daddy.
Oh, yan sa ako?
Okay. Pronoun. Never. Oh my god. Kick.
Nag-make up eh, hindi ko naman.
Oh my god.
Polvo lang yan, tsaka blush on, baliw.
Oh no. I
Si
forgot.
sunscreen.
I forgot, bros.
Bigyan kita ng
Bros. Also, that is.
Ito pala, lip gloss na. Fancy lang.
Now they can fight and nothing. Ouch, that hurts. My head. They're gonna. Wait. I never make my own. So I'm gonna. Oh my god. Ang kanadam.
Saan yung ba naman mo?
Wala, sa tindahan.
Ba't kumawan?
Wala. Wala na. Malabas ka na. Try ko muna ilan.
Bro, we got big hairs now. So we're sandy. Lili lila lila. Bro said everything. Bro, shut the fuck up, I'm sleeping. No! Wait. Then that. Wait.
Tumatapon niya ko lang.
Oh my god! He's dead! He's never gonna be alive. Strawberry melon spike.
Pero, susunod
That's a
natin taas.
let's make a bed for me. Cause I've said I'm sleeping.
Tignan mo, ingay daw
Alright.
pati ang tagal mo tumayo sa simbahan.
Mag-graduate siya sa school namin kasi gawa ng board exam. Tapos namin pinag-aano kami, pinag-isinda.
Bro, I think got it.
Humanap ka na para makapag-tiktok na tayo ba?
Ha?
Sabay tayo kumain.
Di mag-vlog na lang kayo ng videos.
Ayun.
YouTube naman, meron naman YouTube dito. Kaya ano gagawin mo pang walang YouTube? Talaga. Pang hindi nag-exist yung YouTube. Mamamatay ka ba or hindi?
Nakita ko yun. Nanonood ko siya kumain.
Oh my god. I have a video. Let's put the door. So no one should get it.
Sarado din dahan.
Nakuha sa mga. Tingnan mo sa mga.
Ito! Ha? Sarado tindahan, paraan. Sarado, wala si tita dun ah.
So that's big. There's the table. Oh my god, that is pink. That pink fall out.
Ano nga? Dito, bahay.
Yan na, andito sila, magtitiktok
Tingnan mo
na.
ma'am, yung bagay ko. Di talaga bagay yan dyan. Di bagay yan o.
Yo, monkey.
Tingnan mo ma'am.
No. Oh my god, you break the door. Oh my god, I killed myself.
Wala,
Oh no.
Ito kasi.
Oh no, I broke
Ang bilis magulo ng
my pit. You know. I broke my pit.
O ba?
How'd that
Babay, madam. Babay, madam.
Saan galing to kay? Saan galing mama mo? Nasa pati. Gagamitin to kay? Oo, kaya yun. Tara na, hanap ka ng TikTok.
Daw.
Ano yan? Yung suntok-suntok ka na yun.
Ouch.
Ano yan? Di ba ganun-ganun na? Tapos, parang bubit. Ba't iglagay yan dito? Ilagay mo picture mo dito. Pwede lagay ng pero. Maganda kong TikTok.
Madami lang.
Roasted. Absolutely. Bro. Oh my god, bakla na. What? I hate. Then let's just use skibidi. This is skibidi dik dik dum. So, skibidi dik dik dum. Copy.
It's a
Choke.
at the Amber. I want that. No. Balik mo na dito.
Titingin na.
Ayun.
Ito kaya?
Kakainis na yung song na yun. Kasi it destroys my childhood. Nambit kita. Until it
You.
Tara! Dito natin niya. Telepon mo na lang, ma'am. Mahalag ako sa tigaan ko. Oh, ano naman? Ano kaya?
Oh my god, I pull up! He pulled for that. Oh my god, I need to flip it. And now flip it. Easy.
Asan yung isa mong ano, lalagyan?
Daisy flower.
Skibidi dop dop tolis yet. Skibidi dop maliging ging. Skibidi dop dop tolit.
Ang ganda, ano?
Oh my god, I'm dead.
Ito backgrounds. Yung one din.
Bolot hit first.
Medyo pero na kami. At pag-tiktok na kami.
Skib. B. D. Ski idiot. That is so dumb. Why Google? Google already. Skibidi. Toil. Left. Sorry. Sorry, Google. I didn't know that.
Pwede mo. Pwede mo dito lang matakas.
Pa. Wait. It won't work. That is so suck. No. I'm dead.
Yung lagi nang silip left side.
Pino. Oh my god.
Dito ko favorite.
Wow, this thing happened. This is so suck. Okay. What happened?
Nadulas ako.
Okay.
Siyempre, nadulas ako.
So cringe.
Pacho na.
Yan. Ayan.
Tapos na kaya ako.
Yan naintindihan.
Mabait Amber. Amber.
Oh, that sucks.
Amber.
My bros
Amber.
getting falling up.
Wag. Eh, ano dyan? Para screen. Ito, titignan ko lang si ano. Daddy.
Ski. This is skibidi toilets. Oh my god. Yo, dang it! I will not losing onto up beating me. Him dead. Now I'm bored. Goodbye. Oh my god.